As we go ahead and open the box, we can see that the LED light bulbs come in a set of 10. The light bulbs are made of aviation aluminum and has 14 LED chips on all sides, and has a built-in intelligent IC driver to ensure constant current and canvas error free for 95% of all vehicles. And depending on which side you start on, we will be starting on the passenger side. You will have to push up and then slide to the right the bulb housing to release it. We will then remove the stock halogen light bulb and replace it with the AUXITO LED light bulb. Now we will do a function test, and if it does not turn on, just go ahead and pull out the light bulb and then switch it to the other side. We will go ahead and reattach the light bulb housing and go ahead and reinstall it. Now here is a comparison of the light bulbs. As you can see, the AUXITO LED light bulb is significantly brighter than the stock halogen light bulb.